And because this is a 4,000 square meter beach lot property in Buena Vista, let's have a walking virtual site tour for today. So accordingly, this is a property that's fit for those who would like to have their beach lot or beach resort dreams ng mga businesses, no? Because this this property is already in a perimeter fence. Ang tanan 4,000 square meters is naka-locate na gid siya. We have a lot of areas for development. You can still build here hotels, inns, and whatnot. But there are existing structures as well na naning diri. So pwede na siya mahimo ninyo og kanang reception area, or sa taas pwede mahimo siya exclusive rooms, fully air conditions and all. Here can still be your parking lots, parking area, and what you can think of in the future. The RIA is an ongoing construction where pwede siya mahimong convention area, kanang mga seminars, and yun, kanang pwede mga gatherings sa family, or maybe kanang mga anniversaries, or what you can think of para sa inyong mga future guests. And yun. Here is our place where you can do your recreational activities, pool, and napo diri located na to ang mga cottages, no? On a daily basis, na you can approximately rate the cabins or the cabanas at around 1,000 per day, since na ay 9 kabuok existing now, kana pa lang dan is 9,000 pesos per day na siya. We have here our pool nga pwede pa ninyo i-develop in the future, mas nice and whatsoever. Sa mga areas in Surigao del Sur and Agusan del Sur, there are a lot of mga resorts as well nga ginagamit nila nga pwede ninyo himuon og inspiration. But this time, you can make your own taste of how it looks like, and pwede ninyo siya mahimo gid og a multi-million property, multi-million business. It depends on your ability to develop this certain area. So, nalingaw ko, og hangak siya in a way because this is 4,000 square meters na property, and gipalakaw ta mo padulong dito sa beach area for you to appreciate how it really looks like as a whole. Yon. So, hinahinay ta na ay mga, ang diri nga mga areas are located sa kanang mga washroom, dress, kanang maka change ka sa imong outfit, washing area, comfort room, and whatever. So, going here sa huge coastal area, and by the way, naragit ang proof that it is really a for sale. So for inquiries and reservations, just contact me. No? And here is a glimpse of how it looks like in the shore. So makita nimo nga the property is really well kanang gid sa paano naka fit gyud siya, naka ano yun siya, naka rectangular siya, unlike sa other places na nga medyo dili siya ana ka structured. But this one agi naka perimeter and whatnot. At my back is the beach. You can hear the serenity of the ocean. So if you're the one we're looking for, nga mupalit ano nga property, do not hesitate to send me a message today and let's talk about it. I'm Cyrus, a sales manager of BK Realty Philippines. Thank you for watching. Bye! Nasir, nahagop kayo ka, sir.